What's up guys, and here it starts our passenger POV city driving of my new Desire, my new car. I'll clean the seat for you guys. Okay, you sit here and I'll put you so that you can view. What's up guys, I'm super excited. That's my first video without car driving. Let's turn these signals off and start up the car. The car is started from here with buttons. I have a nice gear knob. I have changed it in our other video. It's now an LPG. The car has an LPG in the tank, in the trunk, and it has a rev limiter on the LPG at 4. Listen to rev limiter. Nice exhaust, huh? Okay, LPG is for the city when you want a silent drive and cheap one, but as you know, that's not the case here. And so guys, I am putting you on petrol. Let's go and drive in the city, guys. This 6-cylinder 2-liter 150 horsepower M52 P20 engine, completely stock, no any chip tuning until now. Maybe it will have in the future, but for now no. I have not switched on petrol so far, so now on petrol. And I don't have a rev limiter at 4K, of course. Okay guys, the car has no ASC, no TSC, so no annoying turning off when you enter the car. You just enter and drive. It's just you and the machine. Wow, that was a really fast stop, and the truck almost didn't stop. Actually didn't stop. This Passat starts to annoy me. Today is hotter and we'll suffer from horsepower range. The car is really low. It uses heavy coilovers in the front, so I have to be careful with. I open the window, guys. I hope this won't bother you. Nice 3 Series Coupe. Did you saw it? Someday I could drive it like such one with 335i, but it's much more comfortable and cultivated. Like this is more raw power, more back to the roots BMW. Like E30, I have a dream also to drive E30 with a nice engine. I hope it will happen in our next videos, so subscribe guys. I am always searching for new cars when I can, when my budget is okay. I buy new cars to experience new feelings, because when you are a car guy, you just can't drive one car in your entire life, or even for 10 years. That's too much. Or if you have enough money, you can of course not sell it and have many cars without selling them. Currently I'm running on Shelby Power 100 octane petrol, but doesn't matter because I am stuck in these traffic jams. Here a nice turn for drift. That's happened when you got too much power, guys. Your glove box opens. Look at that noise. So nice. 100 octane petrol moving through the engine lines, burning inside the chambers. And I think we'll have here a drag race with this Mercedes. I don't have a chance, guys. I wish it was M54 swapped at least. I'll leave him some room. I just killed him, guys, and he wasn't racing at all. That was an easy one because he wasn't racing, I know. Well, I'm in BMW Coupe with a noisy exhaust in an old BMW, so no one in the city will like me. So I have, and I don't even have a horn, guys. So actually, it's a big risk driving it because no one will make your place to go, and everyone will hate you because you're driving a noisy BMW, and you're from that, guys, which people don't like on the streets. You are from that, guys, waking babies during the night when you go on 6-7k RPM in the city. Wow, that noise, guys. Wow. Doesn't matter the horsepower, it just matters the thrill and the throttle response and the 6-cylinder noise. That's it, guys, that's it. Well, I wish it was 28 at least. It choose power, but it's safe. Well, do you know what we say here in Bulgaria for this engine? For 2-liter 6-cylinder BMW engine? We say if it's uphill, it doesn't enjoy me. If it's curvy road or turns, you have to be aggressive sometimes. So if it's uphill, it doesn't bring me a joy. And if it's a turn, it doesn't scare me. That's all about this 2-liter banger. Fifth gear, 70 kilometers an hour and 2000 RPM. So it's a short drive. It's a nice pull. After 4k, it's a good pull. Though it's uphill. The car feels wide, although it's not like E30. If this engine was in E30, it will fly, guys. It will be 200-300 kilograms, maybe 200 kilograms wider. It will be much different. I haven't experienced so far so stiff coilovers and suspension, and it's just truly amazing. It's nothing compared, even though I'm with winter tires, with big balloon tires, with 15-inch. I'm not using even sport 17-inch tires, and car still feels really glued to the ground. It's just so amazing. So balanced that you feel when the car starts losing grip actually, and you can really react on that if you're in the corner. M3 with that engine was truly amazing car back in the old days. No matter, I heard that the Dunlop company, which produces tires, actually uses M3. I don't know if it still uses, but it has been using M3 E36 to test its new tires, because the power distribution and the weight distribution and the whole handling of the car is so nice and progressive that they can feel the limits of the tires, so that they can test their tires. So that really shows how good is actually 36 platform, and especially the Coupe with sport suspension and M3 of course. Here we have a lack of power, yes, but at the same time we have this 6-cylinder charm, we have some punch, although it's not big on 4th and 5th gear, it's completely out, but we can still enjoy with that car without going too much above the limit, being still pretty safe and feeling all that handling. It's a good start, guys, it's a good start. I just feel I can turn everywhere with whatever speed I want. It's just so good. I feel only the tires being too big and soft, but that's nothing. If you put some more good tires, it will be really a blast. Well, it doesn't get the power to completely slip, and the tires are sticky, because you know the winter tires are soft and sticky, and it's like glue and trying to still can do that. Like, that's very nice, guys. I'm really excited to actually put I'll just reveal some secret information for you, but I'm excited that I will put some air filter box, remove the filter box and put some cold intake. I'll show you in the next video, of course, what I will put. I will benefit from a lot more better noise. I'll hear the screaming engine taking air, and at the same time I will receive much more power, around 5 horsepower I think it's possible, and I'll put remap so that I can shift at 7k RPM. Wouldn't it be nice, guys? It would be so rewarding. That's exactly the feeling I was missing, guys, in my bigger cars, in the 5th series, in the big wagons and estates cars, and in X5. That's the truly BMW feeling. What actually initially BMW is made for: wide car, coupe with a nice 6-cylinder smooth engine, nice noise, manual, and very nice balance. And here the things are improved by adding some better suspension, which is really low, and by having some nice exhaust in the back. So I'm really happy that I have that car, guys. I think every car guy should feel that emotion, because BMW is a kind of a template for a good small rear wheel drive handling car, and it proves that you don't always need expensive supercars to just enjoy the ride. Of course, that's a good starting engine. If you want some more thrill, 320i in this coupe will be perfect, and if you swap 330i with remap and some other goodies, it will be just really an M-like car for really low price. I feel something loose bushing maybe, or something else on the arms on the right. We'll check that with the mechanic and I'll change it so that I have a completely stiff feeling. Guys, here I turn the magic button and I'm on LPG. And I'm riding cheap in the traffic. It's really a genius thing, guys. Riding cheap in the traffic, and when you have a straight, put the magic button, 100 octane petrol, and the engine giving all its power. Put on petrol, nice turn. I have to be careful, of course, with that turn. It's dangerous. So easy to drift on that turn. The asphalt is really silky smooth and it's very slippery. So I didn't even have to go on the gas. It just slipped. I like, well, there is actually something good about not having too much HP, horsepower, because actually when you put the throttle on second or third gear, you wait so long for a gear to feel the RPM range, and you have the time to experience actually the sounds. And guys, this car is so easy to drive and drift. It's just, I don't know how didn't have it earlier. I just feel so safe in that car, no matter I'm sideways, just because it makes you feel like this. It's like a children play. And guys, especially for you, well guys, thank you for being with me in my first city POV, passenger POV driving. I hope you felt well in that video, and subscribe to us, put the notification on, click that, smash that bell, so that you get alerts when we have a new video, and there will be new videos, guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, to help us YouTube algorithm put us in better place, because guys, we have so less views. We deserve little more. You agree with me? And I continue driving and will film for you more driving videos, and I'm super excited to go to the my curvy track roads to see how this car will perform there. I'm sure it will be a blast to drive with that lower suspension and with that manual 6-cylinder wild engine in that nice coupe. Will be great handling. Okay guys, drive your cars, enjoy BMW and other cars, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.